Wow, nagsimula ng January, ngayon po ay June na pero sunod-sunod pa rin ang magagandang balita tungkol sa SB19. 22 million streams on Spotify. Well, narito po ang update. Mula sa pangkat Spotify for SB19, another golden milestone unlocked. 22 million Spotify streams for Golden Hour remix by JVKE featuring SB19. What started as a beautiful collaboration has become a timeless favorite, resonating with millions across the globe through its heartfelt melody, stunning vocals, and unforgettable emotions. This milestone is more than just a number, it's a celebration of the countless memories, connections, and moments this song has created for listeners everywhere. A massive thank you to everyone who pressed play, sang along, added it to playlists, and helped this masterpiece continue to shine. Your unwavering support keeps the music glowing brighter and the streams climbing higher. Here's to more streams, more milestone to come, and many more golden hours ahead. Noong January 2026, opisyal na inanunsyo ng SB19 na nalagpasan nila ang 1 bilyong stream sa Spotify across all credits. Isang makasaysayang tagumpay para sa isang P-pop group, kasama rito ang lahat ng kanta kung saan credited ang grupo, kabilang ang albums, collaborations at iba pang releases. Patuloy ang pagtaas ng kanilang streaming numbers. Ayon sa Spotify at Music Analytics data, may humigit kumulang na 1.6 to 1.7 milyong monthly listeners ang SB19 at mahigit 2.2 milyong Spotify followers noong 2026. Pinakasikat nilang mga kanta sa Spotify ang Mapa, mahigit 90 million streams, Gento, mahigit 80 milyong streams, Dam, mahigit 65 milyong streams. Balita para sa 18. Ang milestone na ito ay nagpapatunay na sa lumalaking impluwensya ng SB19 sa global music scene, sila ang isa sa mga nangungunang P-pop acts na nagdala ng musikang Pilipino sa international na audience at patuloy na nagtatala ng mga bagong records sa streaming platforms. Again, congratulations SB19! Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now. Please like, share, and subscribe.